Oh, I'm recording. Hi, guys. Okay, Mary Jane here, obviously, and I'm here with my Korean subscription box, which is FACETORY. This is a Korean face mask subscription. This is the 7 Lux. You get 7 face masks. My favorite Korean face mask subscription box ever. You also could get, I think, 5 face mask. I don't know how much that one is, but this one is $19.99 a month, and you get 7. Like I said, it's 7 Lux, and let's just see what mask we got. Now, this is the August box. I don't know why it came in super late, so I will be getting my September one later in the month. So let's just get right into it. Alright, I have a humongous, it is like, I have so many face masks, like, unbelievable. I do face mask a lot. My favorite ones are the ones that you peel off your face. I have mud mask. I have so many of them. I love them. You know, as I'm getting older, you want to take care of your skin. My skin is like a combination of oily and it gets really dry sometimes. So I love to do face mask. So, enough of me babbling. So, here's the card, and it says, girls just want to have sun. And happy August. Summer is going strong, and we definitely want to have sun. It's this month to hit the pool, sip on some drinks, and lay out by the beach. We hope this set of masks helps your skin protect and hydrate before or after using sunny day activities. Now, we all know August was a very humid, hot month, and it is to keep our skin looking hydrated and nice. So let's just get into it. So it always comes wrapped in this yellow tissue paper. And like I said, mine is the 7 Lux. And here is August 7 Lux. And it tells me about each and every mask. So let's just get right into it. So, and it also gave me some summer fun stickers. I like that. Super cool. Okay, so the first mask is FACETORY Sunbae Soothing Mask. It's time to go out and have some fun in the sun. Become the ultimate sunbae with our FACETORY Sunbae Soothing Mask, using a rayon sheet material and the best ingredients to soothe your skin. So this restores and back in tip-top shape after a sunny day at the beach. So this is a soothing mask, and it will make your face feel really nice and soothe and restore. So that is a super cool one. This one is, I am sorry for my skin, SOS Jelly Mask Soothing. This one actually, I am sorry for my skin, SOS Jelly Mask. This one, your skin will definitely not be sorry after using this jelly mask. If you've been in the sun for too long, this mask will come in for a rescue. With the soothing abilities, it's like gonna soothe your face, especially if you got like a sunburn on your face. This would definitely come in handy because it has that cooling gel in there. So this is super cool. I like that one. And what is this one? Okay, this one is Pore Spot Care Mask. This is for all skin types, and this is called Shiolin. I don't know how to say that. It's like Korean. This works. It's magic on your unwanted pores, blemishes. It helps troubles where be on the road. Oh, fade away the amazing effects of the mask skin and contains antioxidant. All right, so this mask um, will just help troubles like blemishes and stuff like that if you're just having like, you know, some acne problems and stuff like that. This would be the mask for you, and it's for all skin types, and it's Pore Spot Care Mask. That one, super cool. Now, I love these kind of masks. This is pretty cool. This one is Juice Cleanse Mask, Water, and Celery. Okay, and it's so cool. The packaging super neat. Need a quick juice cleanse after having too much summer fun? This two-step mask will work to cleanse your skin using healthy ingredients such as wheat and celery, a skin-soothing ingredient that will keep your skin moisturized, which would be the wheat extract. And then the celery extract contains vital nutrients to reduce acne scars and remove impurities from your skin. So it's a two-step. So which is cool about this, do you see that inside there? That is the mask. So what you do is put on one side of your face for 20 minutes, and then on the other side, and then you soak it in this juice. Super cool. I like that one. That was pretty cool. And then this one is called this is a lifting plus. This one, have your skin been feeling worn out and needs some lifting? This mask uses two parts: the boosting excess pads and the high fitting mask to lift your skin, boosting your skin to exfoliate and make your skin soft, which is so cool. I like when there's steps to them. So this is the boosting excess pad right here, and then the bottom is the high fitting mask, and it does really work, guys. The mask really do make your face feel really, really good. So this is the number 6. This is Aqua Mask for all skin types. This is a hydrating, enhanced skin moisturizer balance, and it's a single-use mask. Let me see what this one has to say. It's just designed to keep your face hydrated and moisturized and balanced. And, yeah. So this is $4. I forgot to tell you the prices. This one is $5.50. This one is $5. This one is $3.50. I am sorry skin mask. That one is $4, and the sunbae is $3.50. And the very last mask is Keep Cool and Ocean Mask, and this is $5. This Alkaline Cool and Ocean Mask. Let's keep cool and go to the ocean. Getting hotter, so we want your skin to cool down and stay hydrated. Contains minerals to help strengthen the skin's barrier while hydrating and soothing the skin. So basically, all these masks really do is just soothe your face, it gives you moisturizer, and just keeps your skin really nice. So that was my August box. So I got 7 masks in here. So we got the Keep Cool Ocean Mask for $5, like I said. Sunbae was $3.50. I am sorry skin, the skin mask, that one was $4. The Pore Spot Care Mask, that's $3.50. This one's my favorite, the two-step Juice Cleanse Wheat and Celery Mask, $5. The Lifting 2-part one also, $5.50. And then the Aqua Mask, this one was $4. Not bad. I love this 7 Lux FACETORY subscription. I get this every month. I didn't show you June's or July's, but it's my favorite subscription. If you're into Korean face mask, you don't have to get 7. You could get the other one. I believe it's 5. So all you have to do is go on FACETORY and go ahead and subscribe there, and you could get yourself some face mask. I will be showing you guys soon my September box. Like I said, this is August box, and I do want to show you guys my huge face mask collection. If you want me to show you that, leave it in the descriptions below. I noticed that I have been getting some thumbs down, but that's okay. I am not gonna get mad, but it is what it is. And you guys will see me in a minute with my Ipsy bags. So don't forget to go subscribe to FACETORY and get yourself some masks. They are so worth it. Keep your skin nice and fresh and looking young. Alright guys, I'll see you in a few minutes with my Ipsy bags. Bye.